In this video, we're going to go over the print statements. The main two are print and print line. Those are the two I'll be covering. So before we get started, we have to start the main method, public static void main. Alright, and the simplest way to do this is system, capital S, dot out, dot print. And start your parentheses, and you can print whatever you want. Start the quotation marks if you would like to print some words. Hello world. That's the stereotypical thing to print. And with semicolon, and it will print that if we hit Shift F6 to run. Hello world. If we go down to the next line and also type the same thing, dot print hello again. This will actually be truncated onto the hello world. There won't be a space in between the two. So we run that. Hello world, hello again. If you would like to put a space, you type in SOUT tab, which is the same thing except for it puts an LN after print. It's just a shortcut for it. It's a very useful one. So we'll print soup. And this one will print soup on the same line. But after it prints soup, you can't see it, but there it hits enter so that it goes to the next line. So if we print out more soup, this one will actually be on the next line. More soup will be on its own line. There we are. Then there are a few other things you can print. You can do your system.println, and you can print the answer to a question. Let's say you want to calculate 7 times 2. If we run that, it'll be 14 at the very end of this. And you can actually combine statements together. System.println will put some text in here. The answer to 8 times 92 is put a colon there, and then put a little bit of space for the answer to make it look neater. Then you put a plus 8 times 92, and then it'll print the answer right there. The answer to 8 times 92 is 736. I don't know offhand if that's right, but I'm assuming it is. Then you can actually combine a lot of things here. Let's print out the number 2 plus, we just printed 2. Now for 3. Then we can make this one a equation over here. Not equation, but one-side equation, whatever you call it. 2 plus 1. This will not work. It'll print 2. We just printed 2. Now for 3, and then it'll print the word or the numbers 21. So now for 321. But if we want this to actually calculate it, we put that inside inside parentheses. I'll put a little bit of space here just so we can see the difference. And this should go better. Another nifty thing we can do with the print line is the new line, where I'm typing in the slash and tab. That's the slash right above the enter key. I believe it's called /. That actually is like hidden system.println, just create some new lines. And then we can type in our text here, which this will be a couple lines below the previous text. Our text here. Another thing we can do is a tab, and more here. So this will print out around where my mouse is. There will be some space in between because of that tab. And we can put in as many tabs as we want. Let's go another tab, and it'll be even further along. Or we can go to the next line and then tab it over. Alright. You can keep playing with this stuff a little bit more. Try to get the feel for it. Hope this helped you.